Hello traders, welcome to another edition of Weekly Outlook on HDA Forex Empire. You know how we do it. We are going to analyze the Forex market and see what is likely to happen this coming week using just technical analysis. So stay tuned, and please, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with every educational content I drop. It doesn't actually cost you anything, so please subscribe for me right now. Starting with EURUSD on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we can see a change in trend on the daily time frame. Now let me show you this. You can see that first EURUSD was in a downtrend. You could see that EURUSD was in a downtrend. When we saw this happening, all of a sudden the market started changing its trend. It broke this lower high here. It broke this lower high here, and we saw a change of trend. So it's likely that USD will just retrace here, then continue its uptrend now. So now, trying to spot our key levels on the daily time frame. We have a key level here, which we must take note of. We have an important level here, and we also have another important level here. So now moving down to the 4 hours time frame. So moving down to the 4 hours time frame also, we have another key level here on the 4 hours time frame. We have another key level here on the 4 hours time frame. So now this is what I want to see on EURUSD. I want to see price do this, price drop down to this key level here. Then we buy from this point on EURUSD up to this point here, or you can set your target upwards, anywhere upwards. But my target will be this point for this coming week. So this is my buyer zone EURUSD, GBP USD. And now if you are to take note of GBP USD, we can see that price refused to break this zone here. Price refused to break this key zone here. Now moving down to the 4 hours time frame, and also let's not forget another key zone here. We also have another zone of interest here. We have another. So moving down to the 4 hours time frame. Moving down to the 4 hours time frame, we also have another key zone here. We have another key zone here, and we also have a beautiful trend line here also. We also have a trend line here also. So I want to see GBP USD move upward. So this is what I want to see on GBP USD. I want to see price get down to this trend line here, then buy from this point. Or it's likely that price can just break the trend line downward. Price can just break the trend line downward here. So in case price breaks the trend line downward, I want to see a retest up to this point here. Then look for selling confirming candles, then sell up to this point here. And if price shows any buying confirming candles, then we buy up to this point on GBP USD. So this is my simple analysis on GBP USD. So guys, our next we'll be looking at is the Aussie dollar. So now on the Aussie dollar, I can see that we have already drawn our key zones and trend lines here, and we did that on the previous video. So you can just go and watch the weekly outlook on the previous video and see how we analyze the Aussie dollar. So now without talking much, we'll move down to the 4 hours time frame and see what is likely to happen. So on the 4 hours time frame, I want to see this happening. Actually, I want to be taking my buys at this point. I want to be taking buys here, this zone here. I want to be taking buys here, or it's likely that maybe price can just drop down to retest this trend line here. So price can just drop down to retest this trend line here. So these are the key areas I would like to take my buys on the Aussie dollar pair. So this is my simple analysis on the Aussie dollar. So guys, our next pair we'll be looking at is GBP AUD. So now on GBP AUD, we can see that this pair looks bullish on the daily time frame, and we have a key zone here on GBP AUD. So we have this beautiful key zone here. So moving down to the far west time frame, let's see what we have there also. So on the far west time frame, we also have another key zone here. We also have another key zone here on the far west time frame. And we also have a beautiful trend line here also. We have a beautiful trend line here also. And also another key zone here. So we have these key zones here. So now on GBP AUD, if I would be looking for sales, I'll be looking for sales here. I'll be looking for sales at this. Actually, you can see that price has gotten to this particular key level, so it's like that price can drop down here. And I'll also be looking for sales here also, in case price gets to this trend line here. And for buying aspect, I'll be waiting for price to break out this structure. So I want to see price break this entire structure here, then I retest to this key zone here, then look for buying confirming candles and buy GBP AUD. So this is my simple analysis on GBP AUD. This is gold. We'll be looking at gold. So now on gold, on the daily time frame, you can see that gold is bearish, but in the previous week we saw that gold was making some upward movement in the previous week. So this whole upward movement I'll consider it as a retracement. So now we have this key zone here. We have this beautiful key zone here. So this week I'll be bearish on gold. We have this key zone here. And moving down to the far west time frame. We also have another key level here. We also have another key level here and another key level here also. Another key level here also. So now this is what I want to see in the market. So actually this week, like I said, I'm bearish on gold, but we can take some buying opportunities here on gold. So for buying opportunities, I'll be looking for price to get to this key zone here on a lower time frame, then buy up to this point here, then see how price is reacting at this key zone here, see any selling confirming candle, then sell gold. Or it's likely that maybe price can just drop down here. Price can just drop down here to this key zone here, then we look for buying confirming candles, then buy up to this point here and look for selling confirming candles here, then sell gold. So this is the simple analysis on gold for this coming week. Traders, we draw the curtains down. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this video valuable, make sure you hit the like button, and if you have any question, you can do well to ask in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer all of your questions. You can also join my Telegram channel where I drop free forex signals. The link is in the description box below, so tap on it and join now. Don't miss my free signals. See you later. Thank you.